everybody. So my hair inspired me to do something glam, kind of dramatic. So this is the look that I came up with. Glitter, a pop of yellow. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep watching. Alright, so now that my brows are done, if you need to know how I do my brows, I'll link my brow tutorial in the description box. But I'm going to take my same concealer and prime my eyelids. And the concealer just basically cancels out any discoloration. Set my eyelids. It's going to lock the concealer into place. The matte book crayon case, my blending brush, this color, and I'm using pat motions just to build my color up. This orange. It looks crazy right now until you add the deeper color and cut the crease. I want my color to stand out, so you can build it to whatever you prefer. The Alyssa Edwards palette and use BBDC right there. And I'm patting that color to build it up. Before I blend the edges, I blend out the edges of it. It's right there in my socket. That's your crease. I'm only applying the Midnight Magic to the very center. Before I apply my glitter, I'm going to do my wing liner because I don't want my glitter to be in the way. Glitter stack from J. Lou Cosmetics. I'm gonna use the top one. I don't know if it has a color or not, but if it does, I'll leave it in the description box. Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. Beauty blender is damp. It looks dirty, but it's not. Not soaking wet, but damp. Crayon case, chalk dust. Burgundy. A black just to smoke out the liner. Don't take the black too far. So it's the NARS Velvet Lip Glide in area.